Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing good and great. So today we are going to Ramrei village, and now it is called Ramrei. Ramrei is the new name, so I heard that the village is amazing and beautiful. So let's go and have fun. I believe that I'm going to enjoy, so let's enjoy together. I hope you will enjoy as well. So let's have a fun time, a good time, alright? So guys, this is Song Ting Lung Har. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Watch till the end and let's go dive into the video without any further ado. See you in a bit, guys. Pause. Let's go and meet my colleagues at the Nivasan Pangkyose, and then we are going to do. See, ladies, being the low by the one gentleman, right? He's coming. Today, and this one, thao luôn. One gentleman is here. Good morning. Yeah. Yo, bro, yang này là, bro. This is our party. My colleagues. Information for visitors. This is indeed an amazing place. Hi, hello. We are here at Ramrei village, River Dam. Here's the dam. We'll go and check out slowly. Here's the dam. Let's have fun, alright? And our colleagues is there. Ta-dang! Ta-dang!
Sorry ya. Sorry.
Bro, yang này, bro yang này là. Yeah, bro. Thì chẳng đang lấy ra. Bà bây giờ xin chưa? This is bro yang này là khẩn im bro. Chẳng thì không thêm nữa. Cầm tháp vừa à con mồi sâu vừa. Sốc cầm mấy ba vừa. One gentleman. This is wine coke. Wine coke pala. Babaya Shinju. And this is local Shinju. Chị, yung lòng xuân họp mình, ai cháu sang hay sao, ai cháu enjoy sao thật lên này. Ai cháu hình chẳng ai enjoy sao thật lên nếu mình không làm lại thì vậy. We're having a good time. cái xa thế nào bao giờ nhau lịch khứ bây giờ là khí lên khí nữa gì này
bay này cũng được
yum Xây đơn này nè đấy y cầm say quá rồi chào sir let's go roaming game roaming game working here and there kind happening here oh they changed the direction or what Well, we are checking out the dam, guys, and this is amazing, right? Beautiful. They're having fun taking photos. See, amazing, right? The water looks clean. This is different from the last vlog, okay? This is in different village. Previous one was in Reha village, and then this one is in Ramrei, Lamlai. They have this all boatings and all, but today is Sunday, which is why they did not open for that. Maybe we'll visit again next time for that boatings and all. This is our party, our friends, colleagues, having fun, taking photos. And here is our sir, one of my colleagues. He is taking video as well. Woo! Guys, I'm looking for the flat stone. Let's throw this one and let's check out how far it can go. Okay. 1, 2, and three.
Two times.
Get up. Oh,
Ah.
last one. Way. Three. That's amazing. Bác Lê yêu thích ra gì? À, phải ra gì? Sợ cái đấy. Mình Bác Lê. Mình Bác Lê. Ôi mình Bác Lê gì cơ? Cái thằng mình Bác. À. Cái thằng lên mình Bác là gì? Nó là mấy thì mà đang tiêu hàng nhiều cho cái thằng mình lên tourist cái thằng mình đang lên.
Yeah, Ramrei, ecotourism park tu ko. Yang ang kopi ko yang, dem litri ne. Naga.
Thật ra chính cũng đi ra khiển nghi thật ra cái trang cái gì đó every week or daily thật ra là cái thằng.
Mày thằng cái gì đó, Russia này.
Tăng khu nào là chúng mày ra từ lấy cái mấy tên nào là chúng mày ra.
Tourist spot here, mình đi bồi tông cái sai đi á, cái mấy tiếng left side mấy tiếng nào là ra ấy. Vậy nên là chúng nó explore sa milo, mình không cái.
Chứ Ali Thotyachipem hồi ấy, nào ta Ramrei ra ta cái Ali cần đẹp sao vậy đấy. Details link ni sang miếng sao cái chính đi check sa milo. Thalak hang son nào này chứ nữa Ali cần đẹp sao là cái. Đấy nhưng milo anh local guide sa milo thùng đi. Thank you. Hello again. We are moving out from this Ramrei. Now we'll be going back to where we stay. So we had a fun day. We enjoyed a lot, and the place is indeed beautiful and amazing. you can come and visit as well. This is not far from main city in far Yangang. You can reach Yangang and then you can come through that. So it's easy to find this place. This is amazing for the picnic spot and for the views. Yeah, come and check it out. Guys, there are a lot of people visiting this place. See, a lot of vehicles there and here as well. A lot of people around. So many bikes. This is amazing. Visit us along Sunoping. In Palak Habamne, Talak Tale. See tangkhul Riram Liver. Think Tirak Habamni Sang the Lea. Check us Samilo, Yokamilo. The road not taken cái thả hình để cô color nào chứ á, mới chú nào chứ thì vào là cái mình là đẹp lắm, amazing, love it, I love it. Ramrei village này hi, làm này á, Ramrei primary school hình lệ đấy, hình là center lắm đó Ramrei, Ramrei center, Ramrei center. Arung tang hoi che jingri na ta ring phala mrau tle pon si ya tung ba ji church ne church a tung ni se school ni ne hi ba hi le center la oi am ning na school ba hi council school hàng sân cứ lạc là council school hi mang la school here. Hi. Second trip pasirarat le. Second trip pasirarat le yang lo. Hello everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. Finally, Ramrei na shop hai ne Ramrei na. So we are going home, and this will be the end of the video. And so thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.